back to my YouTube channel. How is everybody doing? How is everyone out there? So guys, what I have on my table today is just concerning something that I really want to say, but this very video I think I should just sit down and say it, or come back again and do this very video. Why am I saying this? It just I need to be reading the comments. Some Africa people, brothers and sisters, you guys, anybody that you have, or anybody that is living with you, you guys need to treat them very well. Mothers out there are many of your children that are being off. There are many of your children, they are not mothers, they are not wives, they are not sisters, they are not even ladies, they are not women, grown-up ladies, I don't know, big women for that matter. They are not happy just the way their mother and father treated them. African mothers, learn how to train your children in love and care in many things. Does not mean that you bringing up your child, your daughter or your son, that will make her to grow. So no, some education is needed. When they need to be spanked, you need to spank them. When you need to shout on them in a good reason, and let them understand why you are spanking them. Let them also understand why you are shouting on them. You just shouting on them without telling them what they did is not good, is not nice. There are some people, they are still finding it difficult to be healed out of their pains. Their pains from adolescence, from their pain when they were born, or the place they were brought up, which is not nice. Many people, I read the comments that said, attention, look at this baby. I read the comment that said because of that, she decided not to have babies. That is bad. My lady, I will be reading your comments, but before reading your comments, I will just go and pick my kids from the school, then come back and finish with this video. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and keep watching. I'll be back. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back from my evening routine, from my school routine now. So let's finish the very video that I was doing before, and yeah. So the message that I have over here, I'm going to be reading it, okay, with this my vandalized phone. So that is just it. Like 22, Elle Dublin. I'm going to be reading your comments, and as I said before, I also reply before starting this very comments, guys. I said, let me see. Love you both, and we have similar story. I think it's time we share our story, so that out story, so the hurt will go out of us. What do you think, ladies? And Priestley and Elle Dublin said, Priscilla Presley's kin knew they had were, oh my dear sweet friend, I love you so much, that is my friend. Okay, she replied, Elle Dublin, she replied by saying, Bianca Belletta Guest TV, yes my dear friend, thank you for your love and support, God bless you. Okay, she said, yes, is that time we'll speak out or read or do things, how to just say it out. So anybody out there that may, name this video. So guys, what I have here is just this comment concerning how she was being treated and abandoned by her own biological mother. Okay, so sometimes it's good you share your story so that people can easily say they are hurt out. Once you say things that hurt you, you are free. That is the kind of person I am. I don't know about you, because some people, they will say it that they'll still be hurt. Maybe they are still living their past. Your past should just be your past. Your present should be your present. So I will be reading the comments. Like 22, being a mother is a compromise. Sorry for my nose, guys. It does not matter if you are married with a boyfriend or husband. It does not even matter if you have got a child. You have to give all the loves to the child. My mother was married, is married more, and she ruled my life, she says. She said she should be in her. Please, that is, I can feel your pain. I can feel your pain. Because she left me in the streets, abandoned me when I was 3 years old. Helen, I'm sending you love. In case you watch this video, I'll be tagging you. You can easily share out your story. Okay, just share out your story. Once you share it, don't worry, I will help you by sharing the video so that somebody out there Some mother out there will learn. Okay, 3 years. So stop saying it's been if. So stop saying if being a single or married mother, you have to be a good person. That is all. God bless you. Okay, my lady, what I meant by that my video is just encouraging single moms that they are not alone. They are not alone. Because you being a single mom is a great decision that you need to decide by bringing this soul to this world. And you're going to be a mother and at the same time a father family to that very baby that you have. Or kids that you have, in case they are more than one. Okay, that very of my video, it will help many people out there. I received a call and she said to me, Bianca, that very of a video, it helped me a lot. Why? Because I learned many things from that video that I need to show my daughter all the love and support and also pray with my kids. That is so wonderful of you. You see, just only that point alone is everything. You need to pray for your children. Yeah, you pray for them because you are the mother. You pray for them. Everything in you, use it to pray for your children. Okay? Use your tongue to count your teeth. So that is just it. Okay? So at the same time, that was this very video and she commented. I feel, when she commented this video, I feel like if I could just hug her, you know, Elle Dublin, I would advise you visit a psychologist, my beautiful sissy. Visit a psychologist. And you know, I remember you said you do visit psychologist on very video I treated. Don't be ashamed to visit psychologist. It does not mean that you are mad. You visit a psychologist, guys. Man, you need to remove things that hurt you, things that you are not happy about, things that are not giving you joy. You just sit down. You're just a woman like you. You sit down and you say everything out. You will be fine and safe. That is just when you visit a psychologist. So the second comment is from Priscilla Presley DIY. Okay, so she said that is so cruel. She should have given you up for adoption. But some people they will I don't even know how to. If you don't need that baby, instead of you to be maltreating that baby, it's better you give that baby in adoption. I think that is very super dupe and okay. Please find it in your heart to forgive her. There is no excuse to abandon an innocent child on the street. Exactly. There is no excuse, not at all, to abandon your daughter, your boy, your cute little angel in the street. No. Take it to some mother home, some orphanage home, I mean to say, some mother care home. Okay? Somebody out there will adopt and show that baby love. There are many people looking forward to adopt, kids to adopt. So don't leave any kids on the streets, anybody anyhow. And to anybody out there that are judging single mother because maybe they have their baby through wedlock and through they decide to just like, okay, I'm pregnant, I'm going to keep this baby. Like me, I'm going to keep this baby. And the guy is like, no, get rid of that pregnancy. And she decides to keep that baby. And you are not judging her. Don't judge people like that. Please, don't judge. Don't judge. Let it be some certain things that somebody needs to abandon just because she just needs to move on. Yeah. Okay, I'm not judging anyone. I'm even like showing love and don't have it in your mind that nothing forever, you not get married again. No, man that cherish you, that love you, man that will appreciate you for who you are, not what you have or whatever. The man will come for you and that man will love you. So that is just it. And the next thing, and she said, okay, no excuse and abandon innocent. People use innocent kids for child trafficking. There is no excuse at all, like that side of Africa. A business of my sister. Things happen, but there are lots of options instead of leaving you in the street. I am so sorry, my friend. Look at how lovely you turn out to be, loving and beautiful with a heart of gold. Many hugs and kisses. Love you. Let me give a thumbs up to this comment. That is just it. Ragazzi! Sorry, guys. Excuse me, guys. So that is just it. So, and so I was saying, oh, why did they? Okay, and she said, Presley Presley, Skin News, DIY. I love you too. I think life made me strong. Apart from all the hate I receive in my life, whenever you receive any hate, sweep it back to the person that is giving you hate. You are filled of love. You are filled of great things. You are filled with beauty. Please, okay? Oh my God, I feel like hugging you, Helen. I feel like hugging you so tight. And I always understand that you don't have to do to people what you don't want to be done to you. I love you, my friend. Oh, she just said, I understand you. Yeah, you see this part that she said, like, what you know you don't love, you don't like people will do to you, don't do it to others. That is the kind of person I am. I wouldn't hurt you when you did not hurt me. I won't do anything to you when you did not at all hurt or do anything to me. I will never do that. Not at all. I can never do that. That is why I try to be positive, because karma is always a bitch. So Presley said, my own mother couldn't take care of me. Instead, she will have me live with people who were not good to me. I suffer from strange family member who almost killed with beating, and that made me never want to have a child. This is where the thing is. I have a ghost bump all over my body, mommy. In case you really want to be a mother, just because of the hurt that they make you to feel, don't let that to stop you not to have your kids, please. Guys, visit these two people that I just read their comment. Priscilla Presley, DIY News. Guys, I will tag them, and at the same time I will leave their link down of this video. Please, queens, visit them, show them some love. They need our love and support. I don't know how I feel right now. They need our love and support. Please, guys, visit them for me. Please, just visit them. Click their link. You need to see Presley. She's so gorgeous. Elle Dublin, she's so, oh my God, she's a doll. I call her doll, baby doll. She's so, these are two queens with heart of gold. They are lovely. People that have hot past, they always turn to be somebody so loving and caring. I don't know why, because we are here hard to feel. It's not his. You see the one of family side, living with family side. I have a similar things like that. Do you know that, mommy? Living with family, living with your elder sister, elder brother, is not something that I encourage anyone how they to do. Mostly when they are, you know, the kind of person they are. If you are a mother, you can take care of your kids. Take care of your kids yourself. Even if it's, what they call it, flour from cassava, which is called curry. Soak it with your children. Any little thing you have, do it. So some people, that is why when I see some people, they don't have the opportunity to school the way they want. I don't judge anyone education, because I don't know how they were born and brought up. Many were born and brought up in a home whereby they couldn't go to school. They couldn't, their mother or the people they were living in, they couldn't afford that school fees for them. They couldn't afford good school fees for this souls to grow up being well educated the way she was eagerly to learn. She was eagerly to study and become somebody in life. Unfortunately, but the life we live on, like she couldn't, or the person, she couldn't achieve her education that she dreamed about. That is why it's never good or okay to laugh or mock anyone out there with their education, how they look, or whatever they are doing. Now, Presley, mommy, I'm sending you love. In case you want to have kids, you want to have baby, you want to become a mother, please, I understand. Believe me, you will be a good mother, a loving and a caring mother. Go to psychologist. Go to psychologist. Say it out. Say it out. And in case you have somebody that really love you, a man, your fiancé, or your mother, or you have a husband, and you both need a baby from you, just try and work on it. You will surely be a great mother. I know you are a great mother. To unborn babies, you are already a mother. Every women are mothers. Every women are mothers. Every ladies out there, sisters, you are all mothers. We are all mothers, no matter what. Even if you have your own biological children or you don't have, we are all mothers to someone out there. We are all mothers. Please try, in case you want to, okay, in case you don't want, I'm sending you love. Try to be healed out of this pain, because it's a pain that you will just be living inside. Sometimes I know there are some things that I encounter living with my elder sisters and elder brother. Sometimes the thing will just flash back to me, the way I'm like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. But they forgot that this person that you are treating me becomes somebody that will help you tomorrow. This person will become somebody that you'll be like, oh my God, I didn't even know. Nagudia mawe na ema. Nagudia omazago no mama. Excuse me, guys. I thought she was crying. That was just laugh. These kids with their. So, nagudia mawe na ema. Nagudia mawe na efi. O salubwana ba. O salubwana ba. Like the real God have the final say. The real God know what you will become. No matter what, you will surely become it. No matter how you match and no matter how elephants match grass or the grass on the floor, that grass will surely grow up again. Like once you receive water, you will see the grass springing up again. That is it. No matter the weight of an elephant, you can never smash that grass, and the grass will be like, oh no, the grass will surely turn back to be the green grass again. Everything will be green again. That is why I'm wearing this green to do this video, because green in Italy, speranza. Okay, please, Queen Habde, I love you all. Thank you for sharing this little story. I believe one or two people that have read it, I believe they will just also look a way to bring out their pains. I'm sending every one of you love. Okay, bye, Queens. I don't want this video to be that long. Bye. I'm sending you all love. Okay, mwah. Love you all. Bye.